Governor of Odisha, His Excellency Professor Ganeshi Lal, to the dais and occupy the seat.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of Odisha Medical Services Association, I, Sovna Raut, would like to extend my heartily welcome to all the guests here to the 68th Annual Conference of OMSA.
दीपं ज्योति परं ब्रह्मा.
Thank you, everyone. Please be seated. Thank you, Dr. Jyoti Mishra, Dr. Akshay Naik, Dr. Naresh Mahapatra, Dr. Puspanjali Mishra, Dr. Sandeep Anapati, and Dr. Itanjali Mishra to make this event grandeur. Now, let us have the pleasure of listening to the opening remarks of the Chairman of the Organizing Committee of OMSACon 2021, Sir Dr. Nilakantha Mishra. Sir, please.
Jai Jagannath. Good morning to all of you. As Chairman Organizing Committee of the Annual Conference of OMSA 2021, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you to this August gathering at the newly constructed OMSA Bhavan. This is the first such conference to be held in this place, and it's really heartening to see the dream come true for all doctors who are serving in the state in various capacities. And it's a real pleasure that our beloved Governor of Odisha has graced the occasion. On this occasion, I welcome our chief guest of the function, His Excellency the Governor of Odisha, Professor Ganeshi Lal. I hope our conference will be a great success and shall help the association in the deliberation and shaping the future of the healthcare givers of the society in this difficult situation. Thank you. Bande Utkal Janani. Jai OMSA.
Jai Jagannath. My pranam to all of you. On behalf of OMSA, I welcome you all to this August gathering of 68th Annual Conference of OMSA. On 27 November 2019, first time in OMSA history, a oath-taking ceremony was conducted where our executive of the present tenure took oath, and after that, our team has been working with relentless effort for upgradation of dignity and respect of OMSA. We had visited every district and every corners of Odisha through Sakha Chalo Abhijan to strengthen each and every branch of OMSA, even during Corona pandemic periods. So our team, headed by President Dr. Narayana Rao, have done many things first time in OMSA, like one blood donation camp organized all over Odisha in the 1st of January 2020 in the banner of OMSA, and collected more than 500 blood as a social responsibility of the associations. Rupees 20 lakhs was donated to Chief Minister Relief Fund for Corona pending management. And OMSA Welfare Fund also opened to help family members of OMSA member doctor who lost their life during Corona period by Corona infections. So I thank you all the members for your generosity contribution. I also will request all the members who have not contributed to contribute so that we can finish this OMSA Bhavan project.
Jai Jagannath. Today, what I feel it is for the gathering is only for you, the people working for the Odisha patients, all doctors gathering here and because of you in the new house, Omsa Bhavan. This is built by your sweating, by your total mind to this association and this building. I think each brick of this building is by sweating of the doctors only. All this August occasion, we are getting our beloved, lovely, and the most dynamic governor, Professor Ganesh Lal. Once he had told, when I met in the first time in his office, what he has told I expressed today. That is why he is the guest today. The doctor's brain and heart, if you together, the people will get the best service. We the people, only 5,000 doctors giving service to 4.5 crores of Odisha people who are in need of which 40,000 doctors according to the government guideline WHO. When WHO wants one doctor for 1,000, you see, imagine 5,000 only doctors, peripheral doctor prevent giving service to 4.5 crore people. So how possible to give a delicate service, a sound service to the people? Definitely there will be deficit in service. So this is our study. Almost last years the entire world is stumbling in COVID. The life is almost gone. The economical status of the country and the world is down like anything. So on this occasion, our keeping places are facing this like a mask distance maintaining. So it is a very not a sound condition. I am here today because of you. We are working for the people by the government to render the service all the national programs and day-to-day treatment services. So this is, so you should this, we are carrying out this national program and both in health system science. So carry out this program. So this is possible because these are 5,000 people, doctors only, where the cadres are only 8,719 doctors.
समस्त नमस्कार मोर नमस्य गुणी महामहिम राज्यपाल प्रोफेसर गणेश लाल मुझे बहुत खुशी आज ये गोटे अभुला दिन रे पार्ट नवाकू जो दीटा जिनस गोटे है जो कोविड माड़ पर आमर ओमसा कॉन्फ्रेंस द्वितीय आम घर जोटा आज प्रोफेसर आमर महामहिम राज्यपाल गणेश लाल हाथ में करकमल आम पाइले आमर निजर बोले किसी नथिला आम निज घर बहुत कम बदरे कहबी यही कोविड टाइम रे बा प्रीवियस जो हेल्थ एक्टिविटी है सही टाइम रे आम संघ गोटे अनन्य सेना भूली जातु किए कौन आमको खराब कहला भल कहला आमे माने जेतिकी एई राज्यर स्वास्थ्य सेवा पाई जेतिकी आमर समय आमर निष्ठा देइजे ताहा जल जल करी दिसुची आम लोक मैंने जानी आमर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन जानी आमर प्रेस बंधु भाई मैंने जानी जी समस्ते अच्छा जानी आमर निष्ठा केते थिला आमे आमको सर्टिफिकेट दबा नहीं लोक मैंने निश्चय भाव में जानी आम कौ भाया कम करें तेणु मुझे गोटे कथा कहि आग को प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर राउत कहले जे किछिटा असुविधा अच्छे बहुत जगार आम जो लेवल ले काम करें आम कॉर्पोरेट हॉस्पिटल ले काम करने आम गवर्नमेंट सेटअप रे काम करें जो कष्ट अच्छी जो बाधा अच्छी आमको काम करिया को किंतु आपण गोटे खाली भाविबे द फाइनल अचीवमेंट इज वेरी सैटिस्फैक्टरी तेणु आम आग को चलवा जिते जहाँ असुविधा हो आग को चलवा सरकार सांगरे सरकार भी आम सांगरे समस्त सांगरे मिसी आमर मेन एम हवा दरकार जोटा अंडरटर्डन आमर लोक मैंने रही जो मैंने हेल्थ फैसिलिटी पाऊना इनएसेसिबल इनएफोर्डेबल अच्छी सेटा को आम संघ ही दे पार कौन से कॉर्पोरेट हॉस्पिटल दे पार
We thanking you all because of your sincere, dedicated service during the period of pandemic. The COVID really tested our resilience and our capacity, and we have won with flying colors. with the simple reason that we have seen in countries where the public health infrastructure is robust, they just kneel down, and in our country and our state, we have won the battle with the least of death because of the sincere, devoted effort of our brothers and sisters, so also in the state. So in the beginning, I must commend the role played by our members, our doctors, for dealing with the COVID as a whole, not only COVID, but also rendering during this testing period the non-COVID activities. Odisha is one of the states where the non-COVID activities were very little affected during the COVID pandemic too. Till in Odisha, people at large, more than 75%, they rely on public health services than going to the private sector. So it is a great responsibility on our part to see that the poorest of poor who run into a cycle of disease, then loss of wages, then poverty, and again disease. It is your responsibility to see that they are out of this cycle of disease and poverty, and you have to be instrumental in doing so. I have all hope, and we have all believed that OMSA as a whole will be able to dedicate this at whatever place they are. So thanks you all for inviting me, and also paying my sincere condolences to those departed friends who have lost during the COVID. I thank you all for calling me, and thank you for giving me an opportunity. It is a real pleasure to have our Governor of Odisha, who is an excellent orator and a brilliant professor, who will be addressing you. Thank you all.
Now I would like to request the Honorable Governor, Professor Ganeshi Lal, to do the honors of releasing the souvenir.
जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भव तुम्हें। भगवान जगन्नाथ कहते हैं, प्रभु जगन्नाथ कहते हैं, इंद्रियाणि प्राणी आहु इंद्रियभ्यः परम मनाः मनसुता परा बुद्धयो बुद्धे परा तस्तुसा। Your senses are higher than the dull matter. Well, that is the body. Mind is higher than the senses. Intelligence is much higher than the mind. And you are much, much higher even than the intelligence. दुनिया मानती है कि मैन इज ए बॉडी विद ए सोल। भारत इसको नहीं मानता है। भारत कहता है मैन इज ए सोल इन ए बॉडी। आप नरसिंह का रूप बना सकते हैं, कछुए का बना सकते हैं, मत्स्य अवतार हो सकता है, कच्छप अवतार हो सकता है, कूर्म अवतार हो सकता है, वराह अवतार हो सकता है, नरसिंह अवतार हो सकता है। इसलिए मैन इज ए सोल इन ए बॉडी। इसलिए स्वाभाविक रूप से जो भगवान जगन्नाथ ने कहा वही भृगु संहिता ने भी कहा। बहुत अध्ययन करने के पश्चात उसके पुत्र ने कहा मैंने परफेक्शन प्राप्त कर लिया। क्या किया? मनुष्य अन्नमय कोश है, अन्न से जीवित रहता है। नहीं नहीं, अभी तुम जाओ और पढ़ के आओ। फिर उसने कहा नहीं, प्राणमय कोश है, मनमय कोश है, प्रज्ञामय कोश है और अल्टीमेटली आनंदमय कोश है। जिसको भगवान जगन्नाथ ने कहा उसी को भृगु संहिता ने भी कहा। ओशो ने कहा 5 चीज़ें ज़्यादा हैं इसलिए 3 चीज़ों पर आ जाएं। तो उसने कहा बॉडी, माइंड एंड सोल, ये मनुष्य है। बेसिकली जब हम मेडिसिन्स देते हैं तो माइंड को भी मेडिसिन देना पड़ेगा। और माइंड को मेडिसिन देने का मतलब है यू शैल हैव टू बी साइकेट्रिस्ट आल्सो, साइकोलॉजिस्ट आल्सो। आप करते हैं थोड़ा थोड़ा अभ्यास, मनोवैज्ञानिक तौर से पूछते हैं कल क्या खाया था, अभी ये खाना है कि नहीं खाना है, इसे आप करते हैं बात। अर्थात वन हैज टू बी वेरी केयरफुल एज फार एज द फूड मैनेजमेंट इज कंसर्न्ड, एज फार एज द टाइम मैनेजमेंट इज कंसर्न्ड। आपने मुझे मेडिसिन दी, एक ही समय में ले लूं सब, शराब के साथ ले लूं? आप मुझे निश्चित करते हैं कि योर थॉट्स, योर सेंटिमेंट्स, योर इमोशंस, उसका मैनेजमेंट भी आपको करना पड़ता है। इसलिए मेडिसिन्स को प्रेस्क्राइब करते समय या मेडिसिन्स को डॉक्टर को पेशेंट को मेडिसिन्स को देते समय पेशेंट 99%, 99% इसलिए ठीक होता है कि ही हैज़ द फेथ इन द डॉक्टर। अगर उसको फेथ ना हो डॉक्टर में तो कभी ठीक नहीं होगा, कभी ठीक नहीं होगा। और डॉक्टर बेशक इंजेक्शन में पानी भर के लगा दे तब भी ठीक हो जाएगा, कुछ भी कर दे वो। तो इसका मतलब हुआ इट इज द फेथ दैट कन्वेल्सेस। इसलिए व्हाइल प्रेस्क्राइबिंग मेडिसिन्स, if you deem proper and if you take into consideration this suggestion, you say, well, let us go in for treating the body, the mind and the soul equally well, you see, on the same platform. And I think then the medicines you will prescribe and your smile and your blush together with it will help the patient to recover itself. ज़्यादा कहने की कोई आवश्यकता नहीं। प्रणाम। वंदे उत्कल जननी भारत माता की।
One of the important pain, you think of why there is excruciating pain in acute pancreatitis. Excruciating pain. If somebody has suffered it, he will tell what pain is like. Uretory colic, excruciating pain. But particularly in pancreatic pain, the pain begins because this organ is nearer to the celiac plexus.
Always there is a dilemma when the primary care physician receives a patient of headache. In a busy practice or clinic, he hardly gets 2 minutes. कौन होची? मुंडा बथा होची, औषध लिखी दिया, चलो. So there's hardly any time for the doctor to evaluate a patient and also give a proper diagnosis and treatment.
One of the most important non-communicable disease is heart disease. So every single member who is there in the process of implementation of government's different programs or projects and providing services through the government machinery has to be aware about heart disease. In that context, one of the most common
ହୃଦୟର ଏ ଶୂନ୍ୟତାକୁ ଆଜି ପଚାରି ମୁଁ ଯେବେ ଶୁଣେ ପ୍ରତାରଣା କିଏ କାହାକୁ ଦେଇଛି ପ୍ରତିଧ୍ୱନି କହେ ତୁମେ 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 ହୃଦୟର ଏଇ ଶୂନ୍ୟତାକୁ ଆଜି ପଚାରି ମୁଁ ଯେବେ ଶୁଣେ ପ୍ରତାରଣା କିଏ କାହାକୁ ଦେଇଛି ପ୍ରତିଧ୍ୱନି କହେ ତୁମେ ତୁମେ ତୁମେ
ହଷ୍ଟେଲର ଏକ ସକାଳେ ଖୋଜେ ଯେବେ ମୁଁ ଭୋକ ବିକଳେ ଡବା ଡବା ଖୋଜି ପାଏ ମୁହିଁ ଯାହା ଚାଉଳରେ ସିଏ ଗଢ଼ା କିଏ କହେ ତାକୁ ଦାନା ବୋଲି ଆଉ କିଏ କହେ ତାକୁ ଚୁଡ଼ା ହଷ୍ଟେଲର ଏକ ସକାଳେ
এই নৌকা তুম আম জীবন তরি যেতে আসিলে সুখ দুঃখ জীবানি ডরি ইটস ট্রুথ ফ্যামিলি লাইফ ইজ ফুল অফ ট্রেজেডিজ and you have to cross it. If you don't surrender to your wife, you are gone. A husband has always to surrender to his wife. That is the ideology. এই নৌকা তুম আম জীবন তরি যেতে আসিলে সুখ দুঃখ জীবানি ডরি
প্রথম প্রেমর প্রথম চিঠি প্রথম প্রেমর প্রথম চিঠি লেখুছি অଳପ ভাবুছি বেশি ନୂଆ ଚଢ଼େଇର କଅଁଳ ଡେଣା ନୂଆ ଚଢ଼େଇର କଅଁଳ ଡେଣା ଉଡ଼ୁଛି ଅଳପ ପଡ଼ୁଛି ବେଶୀ ଉଡ଼ୁଛି ଅଳପ ପଡ଼ୁଛି ବେଶୀ ପ୍ରଥମ ପ୍ରେମର ପ୍ରଥମ ଚିଠି ଲେଖୁଛି ଅଳପ ଭାବୁଛି ବେଶୀ
Today is the glamour of this days, the glorious of the day, the history of the day of OMSA history after 72 years. Your sweating money donated by you, contributed by you. You are sitting over here on your own tiles that is given by you. It is only possible because of you, not me. We are here because of we are here. Because we are all together, so we are here.
আজি କିଛି ନହେଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଅଫିସଟି ଅଛି ଆମେ ଯେଉଁଠି କାଗଜପତ୍ର ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ସବୁ ରଖିପାରିବା ଏବେ ଓମସା ବିଲ୍ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ଜଣା ପଡ଼ିଲା ଯେ ଆମେ ନିଜ ଗୋଡ଼ରେ ଠିଆ ହେଇଛି
ଆମର ଏଇ ଯେଉଁ ଆମେ ଯେଉଁ ବସିଛୁ ନିଜ ଘର ଭିତରେ ଆ ପାଇଁ ଆମମାନଙ୍କୁ ବହୁତ ଶ୍ରମ ସ୍ୱୀକାର କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିଛି ବହୁତ ଜାଗାରେ ଅପମାନିତ ହେଇଛୁ ବହୁତ ଜାଗାରେ ଆମକୁ ଠକାମିର ଶିକାର ହେବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ସର୍ବଶେଷରେ ବିଜୟ ମିଳିଛି ଆହୁରି ଲମ୍ବା ପଥ ବାକି ଅଛି मु आशा करे आमर आ परे वर्तमान जो परिस्थिति जो चली एवं आ परे जो आमर सभासद सद्वर्ग माने आसीबे जो भाई माने आसीबे से निश्चय आमको आहरी आगू आगू नहीं जिवे। धन्यवाद।